Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the PZ Harmonic Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This indicator automatically detects and draws harmonic price patterns such as Gartley, butterfly, bat, and crab on your charts. In this video you'll see what it identifies, how patterns appear visually, and how the Forex Geek describes the indicator's role. The PZ Harmonic Indicator is a technical analysis tool that scans historical and live price data to find harmonic patterns based on specific geometric shapes and Fibonacci ratios. It is designed to highlight potential reversal points and possible trend continuation areas by marking completed harmonic structures directly on the chart. On the chart, the PZ harmonic indicator plots harmonic formations as multi-point geometric shapes, labeling the key legs and completion zones. Each detected pattern such as a Gartley, butterfly, bat, or crab is drawn over price, so traders can clearly see the structure and associated key price levels provided by the indicator. The indicator automates pattern recognition and provides associated price levels, but it does not list individual MT4 or MT5 parameter names. Within the product, traders can work with its built-in pattern recognition engine and visual settings to display or hide different harmonic pattern types and associated levels. Who is it for? The PZ Harmonic Indicator is intended for traders who use harmonic analysis and want automated pattern drawing across different instruments and time frames. It is a visual pattern recognition tool only and cannot guarantee outcomes, as any pattern can fail. So it must be combined with broader analysis and risk controls rather than used in isolation. You can download the PZ Harmonic Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek focuses on how automated harmonic detection and labeled price levels can support pattern-based chart reading. As you can see on the chart, if you're interested in pattern tools such as this harmonic indicator, then subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 indicator videos.